Why do 90% of Discord admins wish ticket bots were easier to set up? Because support shouldn't be stressful. Let's make TicketTool your new favorite helper. Step 1. Go to tickettool.xyz. Click Invite TicketTool, pick your server, and make sure the permissions are all checked. Hit Authorize, do the quick CAPTCHA, and you're in. Next, let's organize your roles. In Discord, head to Server Settings, then Roles. Move the TicketTool role above regular members so it can actually help out. Got a support team? Give them a role like moderator. Trust me, it'll make your life easier. Now channels. Right-click to create a private tickets category for support chats. Add a transcripts channel for logs. And don't forget a public open a ticket channel so users know where to go. Almost done. Hit the TicketTool website, manage your server, and create a panel. Choose your support team, set categories, edit your welcome message, pick your transcript channel, and send that panel to your support channel. Last step, test it out. Click Create Ticket and see the magic happen. Simple, right?